for me, the sentimental one, my first solo is Mr. Crowley, Randy Rhoads. I like the musicality of Mr. Crowley, that there is a melodic component to it. You're playing really fast, but there's a melody to it. And also there's like a legendary nature to the brief time we had Randy
Yes.
Rhoads. This is probably one of the greatest guitarists ever.
56 to 82, I think. Terrible. He was absolute brilliant guitarist, had his own style.
We should say he's the guitarist for Ozzy Osbourne, the band.
Yeah. And that Mr. Crowley solo is a great solo. Great solo. And he's incredibly influential as a guitar player for metal guitar players. And I love Randy Rhoads.